Hello friends, I'm Explorer A. Happy New Year to all of you. Today I'm at the Assima Mall and so here's an lift which is digital to go at the floors 7. Elevator B, this one. Let's go. I'm Explorer A and today we are at the Assima Mall. Happy New Year to all of you, as this is my first vlog in the 2022 year. I'm really excited for a fresh year, so let's start. Oh, what's this? It's a screen about Assima Mall. I'll show you. As you guys know, the new logo has been released, which is really special for me. I spent hours making on it and I'm finally done, and I hope you're enjoying my channel. So please support me and let's get more famous. Okay, so here's a lot of more shops here, like all the shops included. It's a small mall, but like from inside it's like so architecture and it's like amazing. Yeah, in short, it's like amazing. Let's go at the second floor so I can give you a better view. This is amazing. I don't think it's bigger than avenues because this was like constructing for so many years. As you saw, the architecture is also amazing. Oh, it ends from there. You can see. Like better architecture from avenues. Since it's new, it's gonna have this super lighting, which is beautiful. Like since where we entered from GU floor, we came from here. There's a lot of entrance from everywhere, but I came at the wrong place first. I came from like 7, and I saw there's like parking lot only. This is my favorite brand, Super Dry. It was in the Dubai Mall also. If you haven't seen my Dubai series, you have to see it. And okay, there's a food court at L3 Entertainment and Shops. Here, wait, what? Shops? So as you see, this mall has a lot of floors on count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess it has 6 floors because I see one more up. This mall is amazing, like so many digital things here. And we are at the 2nd floor. Now, what? Oh my gosh. Now the lighting structure, the most attractive thing in this mall looks more attractive and more, oh my god, this is amazing look. Let's just look at that. And here we go with the IKEA. I don't think this one provides the food court. I'm pretty sure it must provide the food court also in the IKEA. If you haven't watched that video, you have to watch it. It's the IKEA in the Avenues Mall. It provides. Okay, there's one more there. Look. And when you enter, you can see the first shop is Starbucks. Yep. But mostly you enter from Zara. I entered from Zara, which is in GU. And like this, I'm seeing lots of stores, and this is the best place to visit at New Year. And I'm very shocked, very shocked that there is no crowd. Like in the elevator to go in the Assima Mall, it's too much crowd. But this mall is having like no crowd. Like what? I don't know what's the time now. Ooh. Wow, this mall is very big. I can't explore it. Like, but I will explore. Ooh, the Costa Coffee looks the most attractive thing here. Wow, I haven't ever heard about this shop. Like even in Avenues, these shops aren't there. I have a full series I have a full series of Avenues, I guess. It's like on this, what do you say, this mall, whatever mall or hyper mall. But this mall is crazy insane. But I'm noticing like there's so much stores left to open. At the higher you go, the higher stores opening soon. Oof. I'm not really afraid of heights, but standing there, the architecture makes me scared. Like I'm getting scared, like going up and the more up, like it's crazy to see. Oof. It's better to go IKEA. Oh my god, wait, Frosto, nice. That's a good shop. Oh, a bookstore, yay, what's the name? W.X. Smith. Let's go inside. Best-selling books. I hope they have Wimpy. That's my favorite book. I have one. I have the black one. I don't know, the old school maybe. Let's go. Check it out. So many books about Islam also here. Oh, they have the Harry Potter. Okay, I don't touch it. Oh, this one looks nice. Otherwise, people don't allow to read. Oh, it's a store also. You can even buy things here. Oh, that's nice. And here I go. Oh my god. Yay. Wimpy. Oh yeah. This is the new one that's maybe just released. I don't know all about this because I only have one, and this one costs, like, Wimpy costs so much than normal one. Oh my god, I don't know this. I want to have a collection of these books, boys. Wow, it's like so nice. Okay, Oh, I'm afraid of heights. Oof. Burger King, Pizza Hut, and here starts the journey of food court. There's McDonald's. After all, I'm looking for a keyboard. The keyboards are like so expensive. Oh, it works in that also. The Apple's ones also. Yeah. Ooh, what's this? Let's check the name. It's Zane. Oh, it's Zane. Zane means like you have to buy an internet first. Whoa. Amazing. Oh, nice stuff. Yeah, I guess it's like the best furniture. The furniture is like so futuristic, amazing. But the thing I see is awful. Like, now that's a perfect price. That is a real price. Wow. They cost more for like small things also. Even for a pillow they cost like 15 KD. Go to workspace. I like that setup, you see there? That looks nice. I need a setup for my editing. Ooh. Good price after all. Like it's a gaming chair, and any gaming stuff costs actually high. So it's a current price. Good. I like the setup by the way. And they have some gifts. Should I pick up them? Oh, that means like if we spend more than 28 KD, we can get a gift pack, as you saw there. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying, sub me or else. Oh, there's one more I looked up next to. Let's check out the price difference. The Zane is different, really different. Something smells here. Oh, let's go check out this cool thing I just found here. It's like geography Ultimate Explorer, which is my name. I want to check it out. Like it looks so futuristic from inside. It looks like National Geographic. Guys, so I just saw that they haven't opened the geographic. Like it's inside a tour of geography, and it's gonna open soon. They just have opened now the clothing store. This is amazing. Wow. And you see this plants, that there is some waterfalls also. That's why I think you may hear that water sound. You hear that? Ooh. I hope it doesn't fall on me. Whoa. Oh, it's here. I saw the waterfall. Wow. Oh man, looks like I'm kind of sad now. The problem is end time, guys. You know, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, whatever you want. See you in the next video. Let's roll in tune. Happy New Year and everything. Bye. So, bye.